How to fix YouTube video not loading. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in order to fix YouTube videos that aren't loading, you could start by performing basic troubleshooting steps. What you could do is, first thing first, let's just say you're in the YouTube page or the app and you're trying to see a video or watch a video and you're not able to do it. So one of the reason might be your internet connection. So simply swipe down from the very top and hold on or just long press onto your internet connection. It will then be directed to the internet section. So here you could go ahead and switch to mobile data or cellular data, or maybe a better stable Wi-Fi connection as well. Once you've done this, you might also want to make sure to go ahead and exit, completely close all the background running app, and once again refresh the app and then go ahead and launch open YouTube and try playing that video, and that should definitely help you out. If not, in some cases it could be due to the outdated version as well. So simply head to your app store, tap the search, type in YouTube on the search bar, and you could simply go ahead and update the app if it needs to be updated. So this is how you should be able to fix. Despite all this, if you're still having issue, then you want to simply make sure to close all the background app once again, hold on to your side button and restart your device. That should also definitely help you fix YouTube video not loading. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.